Okay, what are we going to build today, boys?
An RC boat.
RC boats. That's right. Nasboat season for 2023 is coming up soon. And this year, Banks, who's how old?
3.
Are you 3? 3? He'll be 4 soon. And Brody's how old?
6.
And you'll be how old soon?
7.
They're both going to be racers this year. Are you excited?
Mine.
Are you going to be a good driver, Banks?
Yep.
Yep. And what color is your boat going to be?
Red.
Red. What about you, Brody?
John Deere.
John Deere green and red. It's John Deere versus Case.
Case.
That's funny. And we're going to build Daddy a new boat with a couple top secret ingredients. Oh, don't tell him, Brody. All right, let's get some wood. We got wood right here behind us. We're going to try to find some nice lightweight wood so they're really fast and durable. You got to work? All right, let's get to it. We had a couple of these are poplar boards. Poplar's lightweight. For the boys, it should be durable enough, and it paints up nice. So we're gonna rip these in half. All right, Banks, can you see me? All right, so what we're doing is we're taking these thick boards and making them into thin. This is about 5/16 thick for the sides of the boat. 5/16 to 3/8, depending on what we think looks good. We're gonna do that on the joiner, just like this. Okay, these are all the boards for the boats. We're building we're building 5 boats. And got sides and transoms and a couple different thicknesses. So I jointed them down to make them thin to eliminate some weight. And now we're gonna run them through the wide belt sander here and get them down to thickness. Brody's gonna catch. All right, we're sanding these boards down to thickness. These are for the transoms and the middle part of the hull. Give it strength. Brody's building his boat. Banks is helping too. Banks, those pieces are, oh, don't drop it. Ah! There you go. These are for your boat, Banks, good job. Now we're sanding the sides of the boats. Getting them all smoothed out and made the same thickness. All right, so Landon has made up a template. So he made one boat side right here that's got the curve on it, nice and smooth. And now Brody and Banks are ready to cut out theirs. So let's lay this template on top of the piece that's for your boat, Brody.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, yours is a little shallower. Maybe we just need to make your own little template. All right, let's do that. Let's show everybody how we made that curve. All right, so we got a skinny board, and I put a pencil mark at 27 inches from the end. Yeah, just right there. Okay, trace that, Brody. Landon's holding that in. This is getting the curve for the bottom of the boat. Cut on this line. Okay, pull the trigger. Good job, bud. Landon has 2 boat sides here that we've cut the curve on, and he's belt sanding them so they're matched up side. And we'll start gluing. Okay, we've got a couple boats glued up here. This one would be Brody or Banks that we did. We got the pieces and parts for, we're doing 2 for me this year. And then Landon's here, he's got his all made out of pine. So we're doing a little bit of experiment on wood species, which would be for durability and weight. So Landon's is all made out of pine. Also, I should say this experiment is partially because we were just using up some wood we had laying around. Brody's and Banks is made out of poplar. And Tyler's is made out of a top secret material. Any ideas what kind of wood that is? I'll give you a clue, it's naughty. Okay, let's watch Landon glue his up. All right, so Landon is working on gluing up his boat here out of pine, his Nasboat. And he's got the transom piece that he's getting the end of it with. Actually, that's your mid, isn't it?
Mid, yeah.
Yep, so then we're putting a transom, that's the piece in the back, and then we're putting in a mid piece in the boats this year, just to give them a little more strength. we made them a little longer than we did last year. So we wanted these things to have that piece in there to kind of hold everything together. Also, just if you're getting hit or whatever, it might keep things from busting. If your boards are bowed a little bit, it helps with that. So he's, with the Gorilla Glue, if you read the instructions, it actually says to make the wood wet or damp. And I think it does work better when you do that. With Gorilla Glue, it does expand quite a bit when you put it on there, but we like to use enough that it does squeeze out good so that you have a good, solid, watertight seal on the glue joint. All right, so Landon's got the Gorilla Glue here on the transom, and he's tightening the clamp up. He's sure to have this flush in height and flush at the back. And we're gonna throw 2 clamps here on the back. All right, Landon just finished clamping this nose piece in. So the basic structure of the Nasboats that we're building for this year is basically it's 5 pieces of wood. So you got a side, a transom is the back, a mid piece, a mid cross member, and then you got this nose piece, which I want to show you what that looks like. I just ripped this on the table saw at like a 20-something degree angle, and that fits in up here, so it's like flush here. And the next step will be, this is going to be the end of this video. The next video, I'm going to show you how we put the bottom on the boat. So what I'll do is cut some 1/4-inch plywood that is the same overall width as this outside to outside. And we'll start at the back and clamp it and Gorilla Glue it and come down like this and follow the curve. We'll let it be long and then just trim it off. And basically the boats then are ready to have the motor mount put in, get everything kind of situated, and make a little hood, whatever you want to do, and they're ready to run. So this is the structure here, all glued up. These are the pieces. Here's a stack of the 5 pieces. These are the 2 we got to glue yet. We just ran out of clamps. So thanks for watching this episode, and check in with the next one here to see how we button them up. Nasboat 2023 coming right up.